Everybody, I'm here today with my good friend Rich Norton. How you doing today, Rich?
I am doing super fantastic. It's always great to speak with you. And I want to thank you for all the stuff that you do for all of our merchant service reps. And I love the fact that you do everything with integrity. So thank you, thank you, thank you.
My pleasure. Same to you, my friend. We are doing this little mini series. I'm really excited about it. We're helping people that are brand new to the payments industry. They have no idea what we're talking about. So, Rich, I think a great place to start is an elevator pitch. Like, why should anybody consider getting into the payment space right now as a sales professional?
This is an incredible opportunity. And as I tell everybody coming into the business, this is as big as you want it to be. I have about 200 representatives all around the country. And what's amazing, they come from all different walks of life, all different backgrounds. And it doesn't matter if you've had sales experience or no sales experience. The most important thing that I look for is desire. So if you
Mm,
have desire, you got dreams. Everybody in this life has dreams inside of them, and they don't have the right opportunity to achieve those dreams. And this business is incredible. It's been amazing. It's been a blessing for me. Where I'm at in life, I celebrate everybody coming into the business, knowing if I can be a part to help them have
yeah,
success in the industry. So it's
love it.
amazing. It's an incredible
I
opportunity.
love it. I love it. So somebody comes into the industry, they get started day one, and they're coming on to a team like yours, the super crew. They're like, what do they need to do? What are the things they need to be thinking about day one?
Great question. So it's important to understand that you cannot do this business part-time. I mean, if
Mm,
you put part-time into the position, you're going to get part-time results. So I tell everybody coming in, go all in, have 100% determination, make a commitment. That's important. Go along with that desire. If you make a commitment to the business, you're going to have success. This is your business. As I stated, this is as big as you want it to be. So you have to treat it like your business and you have to treat it like a full-time job. So step one is write out your goals. What do you want to accomplish in this industry? And I'm talking about good, positive, realistic goals. What do you want to accomplish in your first 30 days? How many merchants do you want to write? What do you want to accomplish this year? Can you make six figures your first year in this business? And the answer to that question is yes. If you're with the right team, you're with the right company, you got a great support network. So treat this like your business, get it prepared. I mean, there's so many different things that we can cover, like how to set your business up.
right.
Do you do an LLC? Do you do a sole proprietor? And we can get into all the things about
Right.
separating your personal from your business. All that's important. So I'm sure we'll cover that
Yeah.
also.
Well, and the thing I love about that, Rich, is it goes right into this idea of the importance of having this, mentor or coach, right, that's going to work through it. And so I think it's a great opportunity since I know, you're sponsoring these videos that we're doing, right, with your team. Talk a little bit about that. When somebody comes in first day, give us the real brief kind of overview of like, what does that look like as far as someone working with them to make sure everything is set up correctly and they're positioned for success.
Absolutely. See, most people, and I've talked to hundreds and hundreds from different merchant service companies, and no knock on any of them, but most of them, and a story that I hear a lot is they feel like they're Lone Ranger representatives. They're like, I want
Right.
to have success in this industry. I want to make it happen, but I don't even know where to begin. What
Right.
do I say when I walk in? What is this program? What is consumer choice? What are the different products? And they get overwhelmed, and a lot of them don't start because they don't know where to start, is the bottom
Yeah.
line. So what
Yeah.
we do when we take someone into the business, I've got an executive team right now. We've revamped this up, and I got three different guys that are part of that team. I have field leaders that work with our representatives, but every representative that comes in, I created a university. I'm doing videos too, like you, and we've
Yes.
got 18 videos. And at the end of each video, there is a little quiz, and they can't move on to the next video until
Right.
they pass that quiz right there. But we take them through from what we just talked about, how to get your business started, uh, how to work out a plan. Uh, we take someone in the field so they can watch someone working in the field. I think to me, that's very important. So you can see how it's done. And the team leader and our executive team work with each one of the representatives each day. And the number one goal is to get them writing merchants right out of the gates.
I love it. So, Rich, we're going to end the video here, but before we do, I want you to quickly just give where would you send people if they want to learn more about working with your team?
So you can call me directly. I'm available. A lot of times people say, Rich, I know you're busy. I don't want to bother you. I don't want anybody ever thinking that. In fact, I scold people when they tell me that. I may not answer my phone, but you can text me at 904-434-4635. You can email me at payrock, Payroc, Rich Norton at gmail.com. You can get on our website. We have the super crew of Payrock, #1 team with Payrock right now. And I have to brag on them. We have a trip coming up in April where there's 42 representatives from Payrock that have won this trip to Cabo San Lucas. 26 of them came from our team. So proud
Wow.
of our team, very proud of our team.
That's awesome. Well, Rich, thank you so much. I'm enjoying already this little mini series that we're going to be doing. In the next one, we're going to talk about compensation. So, for those of you that are brand new, you're understanding, okay, I can structure my business. I need to set goals, all these core things, having a mentor. But the question is, how do I survive financially as I get this going? So, hang around and we're going to answer that one in next week's video.